Yes, it's true. According to the RAC, on average 30 vans are stolen a day in the UK. But there's no need to panic, as there are multiple ways to prevent a theft of your vehicle, and most of them don't involve blowing it up. Or this. Sadly. You could fit a swivel chair, spin it round and padlock it, or disconnect your fuel pump, install a hidden kill switch. The list is so long that we'll need a whole other video to cover them all, and we will be doing, so watch this space. But what happens if all that fails and your little bundle of metal joy is taken away? Well, all is not lost yet. There is still hope. Yes, GPS trackers. They do exactly what they say on the tin. They track your vehicle using GPS, which you can access from a computer or phone app, meaning that you or the police, if they're not too busy that day, can find your van after it's gone. Granted, it may have been stripped instantly and shipped off across the world via eBay, or the tracker may have been found and binned, but you will at least be able to see the last place it was, which is a start. As you've got to remember that not all criminals are masterminds running worldwide van park rings. Most are opportunist and stupid. So you might find your pride and joy parked round the corner after a drunken joyride. Or preferably in a quiet car park until the heat has cooled down. You never know your luck. But you can increase it by getting creative with where you place your tracker. It doesn't have to live next to the starter battery in your engine bay. Why not attach it to your leisure battery and out of sight? Or to the underside of your solar panel with the cables running to your leisure battery? The possibilities are endless, and the thieves' time limited. So if they suspect something but can't find it, they'll likely walk or run. They usually run, these sorts. Chickens. So with all that said, which tracker should you buy? Well, we recommend the GPSBOB. Why? Because they have live tracking and live location updates every 30 seconds. They'll store all your location history data for 30 days. You can add multiple trackers to the same tracking panel, which is perfect for multiple vehicle families, but most importantly, unlike other brands which charge for the initial tracker, then a monthly subscription, the GPSBOB costs 150 quid straight out, then you're good to go except for an additional 50 quid for more data after 5 years. 5 years. 5 years. So that is a huge saving. They have several models on the market, but there are two we specifically recommend. To the 2G version and the slightly more expensive 4G version, both linked in the description. With both, you can easily track your van from anywhere as long as you have a mobile phone, tablet, computer, whatever, and an internet connection. And it's handy not just for crime, but for when you forget when you've parked during the chaos of Christmas shopping, or you suspect your husband's not really nipped down to Aldi, or you're worried about letting your kid out driving by themselves for the first time. Hey, whatever you need. They come with simple and concise instructions detailing everything we've just discussed, along with installation instructions which couldn't be any easier. Simply unbox your device, locate these two wires, red and black, then connect the red wire to the positive and the black to the negative. Tighten your nuts and Bob's your uncle. Then all you have to do is register on the GPSBOB website, referencing the IMEI and the passcode provided with your tracker. Download the app from Google Store and you're away, but hopefully your van isn't. Simples. What are you waiting for? And that's all for today. We are Van Life UK, a complete survivor's guide. Please subscribe.